So in this video I will be discussing about the distinct numbers problem which appeared in the Codechef starter 60 challenge. It states that you're given an array consisting of n distinct integers where each element of the array is from range 1 to 2n, and we have to perform k moves, and each moves means that we have to select an integer x which is in the range 1 to 2n, and no element of the array should be x. We have to append x to a, and the score of this move will be maximum of the new array minus x, and our aim is to maximize the value of the score, the sum of the scores, by performing exactly k moves. Okay, so the test cases were as follows: that if k was 1, k was 1 and n was 3, the array 1 3 6, and the output was 4. If the array was 1 2 and k was 2, output was 1 1 2 5, k was 2, the output was 3. The explanation goes like, if the explanation has got two parts. Okay, for k is equals to, you have to divide the program into two parts, that is k is equals to 1 or k is greater than 1. So if k is equals to 1, you have to simply run a loop from I is equals to 1 to 2n and check if the array does not consist I, then we have to simply find the score. Okay, score, which is we can find the maximum of the array, and the score would be the new maximum minus I. Okay, so this is if k is equals to 1. And now if k is greater than 1, we have to do it twice. Okay, we have to find the sum 1 and sum 2. Okay, by score I meant sum. Okay, sum 1 and sum 2. For sum 1, we have to simply use this, that is run a loop from 1 to 2n, and each time k minus minus. Okay, k minus minus, so that so k minus minus, we do k minus minus if, okay, let's cancel this out. If array does not contain if I does not belong to array, then k minus minus, and sum would be sum plus is equals to max minus I. Okay, and if max, if the value of I exceeds or becomes max, then the sum 1. Okay, the sum 1, sorry. If the value of I exceeds max or becomes, then max will become 2 into n. Okay, that is the maximum possible value, and we have done this. Okay, so and the breaking condition would be if k is equals to 0, then break. Okay, this is for sum 1. For sum 2, first of all we have to check whether the maximum present is already, if the maximum is already 2 into n, then it's okay, else maximum is equals to 2 into n and k minus minus. Okay, that is we will append the 2n value to the array before doing anything, and since we are doing it, we need one operation, so we decrease the value of k by 1, and then do the same thing that we have done, this thing for I is equals to 1 to 2n. If array, if I doesn't belong to array, then what we'll do, okay, sum 2. Okay, sum 2 plus is equals to max minus I and k minus minus. If k is equals to 0, break. Okay, let me simplify this. I hope this k is equals to 1 portion is okay. So in case you didn't understand the k greater than 1, so what we mean is, let's take k is greater than 1 in this case. Okay, 1 to 5. Okay, so let's take this 1 to 5. So for sum 1, we will go on checking from 1 to the n is 3. So 2n is 6. Okay, 1 to 6. So 1 is there, 2 is there. Now 3. Okay, 3 we can append in the array, that is over here, 3 over here. Now the maximum of the array becomes 5, and minus 3 is minus 3 becomes 2. Okay, we are calculating for sum 1, remember this. So now the next element after 3 is 4. It is not in the array, so we append it, and maximum is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, and k was 2, so we have completed 2 operations. So we are finally done with it, and the sum 1 would be 2 plus 1, 3. Now comes sum 2. Okay, 1 to 5. So in sum 2, what we are going to do is, first of all, we will initialize the maximum as not as 5. It was earlier 5. We will make it 6. That is the last element. And since we are making it 6, so we are already appending a 6 to it. And since after appending a 6, the sum 2 would be 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Since it is 0, we won't take this into consideration. Okay, we start from the next step, that is 1 is there, 2 is there. Now the 3 comes. Okay, the 3 is appended over here. 6 minus 3 becomes 3. So sum 2 becomes 3. Now the coincidence is both are 3. Okay, so over here the answer would be to print the maximum of sum 1 and sum 2. But since in this case both are 3, so we can print either of the 3. But let's consider a case like, let's say it was one sec. Okay, so let's say it was 1 4 5, n is equals to 3, and k is equals to, sorry, the focus got restricted, and the k is equals to 2. Okay, so 1 for sum 1, let's see what happens. Sum 1 is there, 2 is not there, so maximum is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then after 2, 3 comes. Okay, 2 is there, then 3 comes. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So sum 1 is 5. And for sum 2, 2 into 3, that is 1 to 2n, which becomes 6. So sum 2 maximum will become 6. That is, first it will be 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Oh, sorry, this is in the solution. I cancelled it out by mistake. Okay, so maximum is maximum becomes 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, and then the next element that is there, that is 2. Okay, that 1 is there, 2 is not there, so 2 comes. So 6 minus 2 becomes 4. Now see, 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, and this is 5. So we can simply say that the answer would be 5, because 5 is greater than 4. That is maximum of sum 1 and sum 2. So this is basically the solution of the problem. I hope you get it. Thank you.